In this video, I will show you 3 different methods to get the IP address of your device. So let's get started. In the first method, I will show you how to get your IP address using the hostname command. So let's see it in details. At first, I will create a script named host.sh. For this, I will use the nano command. The nano text editor pops in the terminal. Over here, I am going to edit my script. At first, I will write the shebang line as usual. Then, I will define a variable named IP address. Here, I will use command substitution with the hostname command. For this, I will use $sign and parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, I will write the command. I will use the pipe character along with hostname command to pipe this command with the awk command. And using the awk command, I will extract the first field from the output of the hostname command. Now I will just write a print statement using the echo command, which will print the IP address of my device. To access the variable, I will use $sign, then the name of the variable IP address. Now I will save the script and exit using Ctrl X. Now it is time to execute the script, but before executing the script, always remember to provide the executive permission. To do so, I will use the chmod command. To check, you can use ls-l command. As you can see, the executive permission is provided for the owner group. Now it is time to execute the script. I will use the / notation to execute the script. And the IP address is displayed in the terminal. Now I will show you the second method to get your IP address. Here I will use the ifconfig command. If it is not available in your system, you can install it using the NetTools package. I will use the following command to install the package. It is already installed in my system, but this will take some time to install all the packages if you haven't installed it before. After you are done with the installation of package, let me show you the output of the ifconfig command. This displays a long list. Over here, you can see the IP address is shown. So we need to extract this field. To do so, I will make a bash script. Let me clear the terminal first. Now I will make a script named ifconf.sh. The nano text editor pops in the terminal. Over here, I am going to edit my script. I will start with the shebang line. Now I will define a variable named IP address. And I will use command substitution with the ifconfig command. For this, I will use the $sign and parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, I will write my commands. I will start with the ifconfig command. Then I will use the pipe character and pipe this command with the grep command. Now I will grep for the inet word. Then I will grep the combined output with the awk command to extract the second field. Now I will access the variable IP address and print it using the echo command. I will save the script using Ctrl S and exit using Ctrl X. Now I will execute the script to get the IP address, but before that, you make sure to provide the executive permission. I will execute the script using the / notation. It prints the IP address of your device and also another address which is called the loopback IP address. In the third method, I will show you how to use the IP command to get the IP address in bash. Here I will use the IP command to get the loopback address of your device. So let's see it in details. At first, I will create a script named ip.sh. Over here, I will edit my script. Now, as usual, I will start with the shebang line. Here, I will define a variable named IP underscore address, and I will use command substitution with the IP command. Inside the parenthesis, I will write my commands. But before writing the commands, I will first define a variable named interface, which I will be needing now. And I will define the interface with my required interface, which is low. And over here, I will need this variable. To access the variable, I will use $sign and write the name of the variable, which is interface. Now I will pipe the output of this command with the awk command, and using the awk command, I will extract the required IP address field. Now I will print the IP address of the interface using the echo command. My script is complete. I will save the script using Ctrl S and exit using Ctrl X. Now it is time to execute the script, but first I will provide the executive permission using chmod command. To check, I can use the ls-l command. The executive permission for the owner group has been given. Now it is time to execute the script. The output of the terminal shows the IP address of the interface named low. Now, the IP address provided here is the loopback IP address, which is 127.0.0.1, and after the slash part is the subnet mask, which shows the part of the network in which the device is in. So that was all for today. If you want to know further, please refer to the article provided in the video description below. Thank you for watching.